Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Esra. Today I want to share how I made these planters for my Dollar Tree succulents. They look rustic and very natural. These are so easy to make and you can customize these however you want to use them. I hope these inspires you. I don't want to keep you waiting more, so let's get into the work. First, you need some wood stems. I got these from Dollar Tree and each pack has different sizes. I got one pack of medium length ones. I got one pack of short and thick kind. And I also got one pack of thin and longer pieces. And you also need jute, mine is from Dollar Tree, a scissors and a hot glue gun, and some floral moss. Moss is actually optional. Here I am starting to make my first planter by using the medium-sized kind. It is very likely to find different kinds of these in Dollar Tree. By the way, I found my wood stems hiding way behind the bottom shelf of the stones. Anyways, I tried to pick wood stems which has flat ends. Then I started to make a circular shape with them. You need to make sure the sides of the pieces are touching to each other. If not, you should rotate them. For the glue, they need to be touching to each other. After deciding my pieces, I use my hot glue to the sides of my wood stems. You can use stronger glue. I used only 8 pieces. I did not use the whole pack. 8 pieces were enough for my succulent. If you have a bigger succulent, you need to make the circle bigger. After I glued every piece, I added this jute, turned twice around it, and make a bow in the front. Doesn't that look cute? For my second planter, I used shorter and bigger pieces. Same rules apply to this one too. I tried to choose biggest pieces for the first layer of my planter. This will have a second layer on top of it. For extra strength, I used my hot glue inside of my stems. I used 8 pieces for the first layer. Then I picked smaller wood pieces from the same pack. Again, I used 8 pieces but smaller this time. When I hot glued my pieces this time, I glued underneath of each pieces. And I wanted to add jute again. I circled with my jute 3 times and made a bow in the front. That's it. I decided to make my third planter with a different method. I used my thin and long wood pieces for this one. I laid my smallest pieces down for the bottom of the planter. This is for my big succulent. And I wanted to use my floral moss, so I made bottom piece for this. I made 7 rows and glued them to each other. Then I put my bigger pieces around it. It shouldn't be perfect. I went for natural look. I circled around my pieces on top of each other. I made 3 layers. Then I am adding moss to inside it. And it's done. I already started to use them on my coffee table. Let me know if you're going to give these easy DIYs a try. I would like to see them if you do. You can share with me on Instagram. My info is down in the description box. If you like these, don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you like to see more DIYs and shopping hauls, that's what I do on my channel. I would like to have you as a subscriber. See you next time.